Welcome parents, educators, and my OTPT colleagues. Ms. Sue here. Welcome and thank you for visiting my channel. My name is Sue. I'm an occupational therapist working with students from kindergarten to 5th graders in elementary school in New York City. On this channel, I share OT strategies and activities that could enhance their learning in a fun way. So if you're interested in that, please keep watching, and today we will share about number writing. If your kiddos struggle with writing number 8 or flipping number 2, 7, or 9, then please stay and keep watching. Before I move on, I want to make a note that here on my channel, I share learning activities and OT tricks and strategies which all kids can benefit from. However, if your child or student struggles with learning overall and there is underlying conditions, then you definitely have to seek for support from medical or school support team. So, without further ado, let's get started. So let's define number writing, number formation, and orientation. It means the child can write each number from their memory, from his or her memory, and form appropriately in correct directions with appropriate sequencing of the writing. We will do traffic lights, so remember, green light go, red light stop. Here you can draw numbers in track figures, so you make green dots and red dots with markers and use the toy car to go on the numbers. Green light go, red light stop. Here I use Notability app, which is note-taking app. It has many different functions. I can use different background, paper form, and I can draw pictures like you see it here. I try to use lines, different lines to make number 3 tracks. And also I can import pictures and draw on the pictures. So it has many functions. It has been worked very well during teletherapy sessions. This is not paid promotion, and I purchased for myself for $8.99 for one-time fee. Like you see here, I can import children's drawing or pictures and draw lines over, color over, and I can resize it and use it during therapy session. Green light we go, down and cross, down the loop, up and cross, up and stop at the red light. I also use whiteboard and dry erase marker to form the numbers and show it under the document camera, which is my phone, during the therapy session. Now let's talk about number orientations, the directions of the numbers. Kids often make mistakes and they reverse number 2 or 3 and other numbers as well. So here I use picture files so that they can draw on it. Here's my boy drawing number stories. Like you see here, number 1 farted and number 2 and number 3 are looking towards number 1. So just emphasize the directions of the numbers while they're enjoying drawing. And you can also use this strategy for other numbers as well. Enjoy your time. Thank you for watching today's video. If you like the content, please give me thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of my video. And if you like the template of the number writing, the card tracks, please shoot me an email so I can send it over via email. I'm willing to share. And have a good week and weekend. I'll see you next week. Bye.